Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Jonathan apples. It's believed that Jonathans were first found in Woodstock, New York in 1826. They gave them a series of different names, but eventually landed on Jonathan apples, and it's kept that name ever since. The apples are grown in cold to moderate climates around the world. And the apple has been used as a parent apple for a number of other varieties, including a Jona Gold apple. At one time, Jonathan apples were a very important commercial crop, but with so many new varieties of apples being developed, their popularity kind of dwindled down because the other ones kind of stepped forward in their place. But there is a lot of interest in heirloom varieties, so Jonathan apples are making a bit of a comeback on the market. They don't have an extensive shelf life, so they're best if they're eaten by Christmas when kept in cold storage, okay? Regarding their characteristics, Jonathan apples are medium in size. They do have a thin skin. The flesh is a creamy yellow, and it's juicy and it's crisp. It has a very mild, sweet, tart flavor with a little hint of spice in there. Regarding the best uses for Jonathan apples, like other apples, they can be eaten fresh. They can also be cooked. It can work well in tarts and purees, soups, pies, and sauces. It is noteworthy that the flesh of Jonathan apples tends to break down slightly when it's cooked. So if you're going to include them in baked goods, you might want to pair them up with another apple that's going to hold up a little better, like a Granny Smith, a Pippin, or even a Fuji apple. And the slightly spicy flavor of Jonathan apples does work well when they're made into juice or cider. They also work well in savory applications, like being added to couscous. So you can try some different things with Jonathan apples when you run across them in the store. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.